Hello Prep 1, how are you today? Our lesson is the triangle. We still have 4 remarks, we have to explain them. So open your booklet page 46 please and follow the video. We will start by remark number 1. If two angles of one triangle equal two angles of another triangle in measure, then the third angle of the first triangle is equal in measure to the third angle of the other triangle. So if I have triangle X, Y, Z and the other one is called A, B and C, we have measure of angle X equal measure of angle A and measure of angle Y equal measure of angle B. So we deduce that measure of angle X, Z, equals to measure of angle C. Now let's write this. In the two triangle A, B, C and the other one is X, Y, Z, please follow the order. Okay, since measure of angle A equals to measure of angle X and measure of angle B equals the measure of angle Y, so we deduce that the measure of angle Z equals to the measure of angle C. Is it clear? Yes. Remark number 2. If the sum of measure of two angles in a triangle equals 90, then the third angle is right. So if I have the triangle A, B, C and this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree, we wanted to prove that measure of angle B is 90 degree. How can we prove that? We will write this. Since in the triangle A, B, C, measure of angle A equals 30 degree and the measure of angle C equals 60 degree. Let's find the sum. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle C equals 30 plus 60, which equals to 90 degree. Now to find the measure of angle B, you have to do 180 minus 90 and this will be 90 degree. So this is the required to prove. Measure of angle B is right angle and equal 90 degree. The next one, if the sum of measure of two angles in a triangle is less than 90, then the third angle is obtuse. So if I have the triangle A, B, C and this is equals 30 degree and this is also equals 30 degree. Now we want to prove that the measure of angle B is more than 90, or we want to prove that angle B is an obtuse angle. So we will start by mention the triangle A, B, C. The measure of angle C equals 30 degree and the measure of angle A equals also 30 degree. So we will find the sum of the two angles, measure of C plus measure of angle A, which equals 30 plus 30 equals 60 degree. Finally, the measure of angle B equals what? Equals 180 minus 60, and this will be 120. Is 120 an obtuse angle? Yes. So we deduce that angle B is an obtuse angle. Okay. The last one. If the sum of measure of two angles in a triangle is more than 90, so this is more than 90, then the third angle is acute. Suppose that the triangle X, Y, Z, and this is 60 degree, and angle X is also 60 degree. How can we find the measure of Z? We wanted to prove that Z is an acute angle. First, we have to mention that in the triangle XYZ, measure of angle X equals 60 degree and measure of angle Y equals 60. So, sum of them equal 60 plus 60 equals 120. Now to find the measure of angle Z, it will be 180 minus 120 equals 60 degree. Yes, is it acute? Yes, angle Z is an acute angle. Okay, now open your booklet, page 47. Complete the following. The sum of measure of the interior angle of a triangle equals, yes, this is our theorem, equals to 180. The measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of, yes, the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles. Okay, if the measure of an angle in a triangle equal the sum of measure of the other two angles in the triangle, then the triangle is, yes, right angled triangle. Okay, now if the measure of an angle in a triangle greater, one angle is greater than the sum of measures of the other two angles in the triangle, then the triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, the next one. In the triangle ABC, if measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals to measure of angle C, then measure of angle C is 90 degree. In the triangle ABC, if measure of angle A greater than the sum of B plus measure of angle C, then measure of angle A is obtuse angle. Okay, in the triangle XYZ, if measure of angle X equals 40, measure of angle Y equals 100, then the measure of angle C equals what? You will write 180 minus open bracket, write 100 plus 40. So the answer will be yes, 40 degree. If the measure of two angles in a triangle are 35 and 45, then the triangle is, you have to find first the third angle, yes, 180 minus 35 plus 45. The third one equals 100 degree. So this triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. The measure of the exterior angle of the equilateral triangle at any one of its vertices equals 120, and you have to keep this because it's very important. Okay, now open your booklet please, page 49, exercise 5. ABC is a triangle in which measure of angle A equals 4x and also equals double a measure of angle B. Prove that measure of angle C is an obtuse angle. So our proof is, we will start by finding the measure of angle B. We will say since a measure of angle A equals double measure of angle B equals 4x. So therefore measure of angle B equals 4x divided by 2 equals 2x. Now adding measure of angle A plus measure of angle B, so it will be 4x plus 2x, which equals 6x. So since measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B is smaller than the measure of angle C, therefore angle C is an obtuse angle. This is our required. The last exercise is exercise number 6. In a triangle ABC, measure of angle A to measure of angle B to measure of angle C equals 2 to 2, 2 to 3 to 5. Prove that the triangle is right angled, then mention the right angle. Okay, so we will say since in the triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180. This is our theorem. So we can put them in this form. Measure of angle A to measure of angle B to measure of angle C to sum Okay, we will write the ratio 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. We will add the ratio 2 plus 3 equals 5 plus 5 equals 10. And here we will write 180. Now to find the measure of angle A, we can say that it's equals to 2 times 180 over 10, and this will be 36 degree. Okay, measure of angle B equals, yes, 2, 3 times 180 over 10, and this will be, yes, 54 degree. Finally, you will find the measure of angle C by multiplying 5 by 180 and dividing by 10, and this will be 90 degree. Okay, so our right angle is C. Mention the right angle, we can say that angle C, this is our right angle. Now you can complete page 50 as a homework. Study hard. Thanks for listening. See you soon, inshallah.